Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. Today is day 35 and we are creating a fold out envelope pocket. This collaboration is hosted by Cindy A. Lewis. So please be sure to check her out and check out my description box for the link to her booklet on her Ko-Fi shop, and you will find all the instructions to make 100 days of pockets. All right, my friends, so today for the fold-out envelope pocket, you're going to need an envelope, and it can be store-bought or handmade. You'll also need glue or tape, of course your scissors, some decorative paper is an option, and some embellishments. We're going to create a fall-themed envelope, and this is a picture of this family enjoying a Thanksgiving dinner. So I think what I'd like to do is go ahead and size this up so that this image can be on here. I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to mark it where I want to cut it. So I'll cut it right underneath the words here, and then I'll cut it right here. All right, this is going to fit on here just right, I think. So I've grabbed my glue, my Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm going to use that to adhere this image to the envelope. Let's go ahead and grab some trim that we could put on here. Since this has a Thanksgiving fall theme, let's check out this trim. It is orange and white gingham, which of course I love anything gingham. Here, let me just take my rubber band off. It might make my life a little easier. And actually, I think I can go all the way around it with this trim. So let's plan to do that. All right, my friends, I went ahead and I adhered the picture, and then I adhered some pom-pom trim, and then on this side I adhered just some gingham trim. And now we're going to adhere it to this cardstock. Now this would normally, under normal circumstances, be your journal page, and you're going to go ahead and adhere the flap to your page. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We have our glue strip right here. While this is drying, I want to mention a couple of things to you. One is you could adhere it the way that I did, and it holds it solidly on the page. And then you can cover that with something and add some additional writing space. But the other thing I wanted to mention to you, you could put a bead of glue right here, and then this would not be glued, and that can be an additional tuck spot. So I wanted to let you know about that. Now we've got our journal page, and we have just flipped it over, and here is our fold out pocket envelope. It folds out just like that, and then inside is your note card or your tag or whatever you'd like to stuff in there. Super easy, super fun. Really great way to add writing space to your journals. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the pocket. I think it's really cute. It's a great image, and I can't wait to be able to use that inside of a journal. Thanks for watching. See you soon.